Imagine uploading your website, and within seconds, an AI completely understands your brand, your logo, your fonts, your colors, your tone of voice, and then instantly creates professional marketing campaigns, ads, product photo shoots, and even animated creatives for you. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what happened when I tried Google Pomelli, and honestly, the results were insane. In this video, I'm going to show you how this powerful AI tool analyzes a business automatically, builds something called a business DNA, and then uses it to generate stunning marketing creatives, ad campaigns, and even product photo shoots, all in just a few clicks. If you run a business, work in marketing, create ads, or even build websites, this AI tool could save you hours of work. So let's dive in and see how it works. First, open your browser and search for Google Pomelli. Click on the official link, and once the page loads, you'll see an option that says, "Let's get started." Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you enter the platform, you'll notice that Pomelli focuses on three major things. The first one is generating something called business DNA. The second is getting campaign ideas, and the third is generating marketing creatives. This means Pomelli is not just an image generator, it's actually a full AI marketing assistant designed to understand a business and create brand-aligned marketing content. Now let's click on Let's Go. The first thing Pomelli asks for is your website. This is where the magic begins. Pomelli uses the website to analyze your entire brand automatically. Since this is just a demonstration, I'm going to search for a gym website. So I'll open a new tab, search for a gym, and select any gym website from the results. Once the website opens, simply copy the URL from the address bar. Now go back to Pomelli and paste the copied URL into the input box. After that, click Continue. Now watch what happens. Pomelli starts analyzing the entire website. Within a few seconds, it scans the page, extracts visual elements, reads brand information, and studies the design structure. It collects things like images, fonts, color themes, brand style, and much more. And just like that, Pomelli builds something called business DNA. Now let's take a closer look at what it generated. Here you can see that Pomelli has automatically gathered the brand logo. Below that, it has identified the fonts used by the website. Then it extracts the color palette of the brand. Next, it generates a tagline based on the business theme. It also defines the brand values. You can even see the brand aesthetic, which describes the overall visual style of the business. Then Pomelli identifies the brand tone of voice. This is extremely important for marketing because every brand communicates differently. Some brands are energetic and bold, while others are professional and minimal. Pomelli understands that automatically. Below that, you can see the business overview where the AI summarizes what the company does. And finally, it even collects images from the website that can later be used for marketing campaigns. All of this was generated automatically, just from one website link. This is incredibly powerful because normally a marketing team would spend hours analyzing a brand like this, but here the AI does it within seconds. Once you review everything and it looks good, simply click on Looks Good. Now Pomelli moves us to the next section, which is marketing campaign design. Here you can start creating campaigns for products or services. You'll see an option called Product. Click on it and add a product link. For example, if a gym sells memberships, supplements, or training programs, you can paste the product link here. Once the product is added, Pomelli asks what type of campaign you want to design. You can also choose the images. You have two options here. You can either use the images already available on the website, or you can upload new images manually. Below that, you can choose the aspect ratio depending on where the creative will be used. For example, if you want to create an Instagram story, you can choose the 9:16 ratio. If you want a square post for social media, you can select the 1:1 ratio. And if you want a feed post, you can choose the 4:5 ratio. Pomelli also gives you 3 campaign suggestions automatically. You can choose any one of them depending on your marketing goal. Once you select one of the suggestions, Pomelli instantly generates marketing creatives. And here you can see that it has created 4 different creatives. These designs can be used directly for Instagram stories, advertisements, or promotional campaigns. The designs look very professional, and the best part is that they follow the brand identity that Pomelli learned from the website. But what if you want to make changes? That's very easy. If you want to create a new variation, simply click on Add Creative. Here, you can give your own prompt. For example, I'll type something like this: create a 50% discount campaign for Black Friday. And within seconds, Pomelli generates a brand new creative based on that idea. Look at the result. It automatically designs a professional promotional banner highlighting the Black Friday deal. This can be extremely useful for businesses that run seasonal offers like Black Friday sales, holiday promotions, or special discounts. Now, if you want to adjust the layout, you can click on Fix Layout. This option helps improve spacing, alignment, and overall design structure. You can also fully edit the creative. Just click on Edit. Now you can modify almost everything. You can change the header text, you can adjust the fonts, you can modify the font color, you can change background elements, and you can even add a call to action button. For example, I'll add a call to action that says, "Deal ends today." This is great for creating urgency in marketing campaigns. Once you finish making your edits, you can download the creative directly to your computer. This means you can instantly use it for social media posts, advertisements, or marketing campaigns. Now let's explore another powerful feature inside Pomelli. If you go back, you'll notice that these creatives can also be animated. Yes, Pomelli can animate the designs automatically. Simply click on Animate, then preview the creative. Now, the static design transforms into a motion graphic. This is perfect for platforms like Instagram stories, TikTok ads, and social media promotions where animated content performs better. And that's not all. Pomelli also includes an AI photoshoot feature. This is one of the most interesting parts of the tool. If you want to create professional product images, simply click on Photoshoot. Here, you will see two options. The first option is Create a Product Photoshoot. The second option is Generate or Edit an Image. Let's choose Create a Product Photoshoot. Now upload a product image. Once the image is uploaded, click Looks Good. Pomelli then automatically suggests several product photoshoot styles. You'll see 4 main templates. The first one is Studio. The second is Floating. The third is In Use. And the fourth is Contextual. Each template creates a different visual style. For example, Studio gives you a clean, professional background. Floating creates a modern product advertisement style. In Use shows how the product might be used by customers. And Contextual places the product in a real-life environment. You can also explore additional template options if you want more variety. Once you select a template, click Looks Good again. Now choose the aspect ratio, and finally, click Create Photoshoot. Within seconds, Pomelli generates multiple product photos. These look like professional product photography, but they were created entirely using AI. If you want to make adjustments, you can click on any generated image. Then simply type what changes you want. For example, you could ask it to change the lighting, modify the background, or add certain visual elements. Pomelli will regenerate the image with the requested changes. This feature alone could save businesses thousands of dollars in product photography costs. Now, there is one important thing you should know about Pomelli. Each account can only handle one business at a time. So, if you want to generate a new business DNA for another website, you will need to reset the existing one. After resetting, you can paste a new website URL and repeat the same process to create a new brand profile. And if you enjoyed discovering this powerful AI tool, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I regularly share the latest AI tools that can save you time, automate your work, and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.